10th part of trigonometry we have been reached. So please be aware, it's very important for your intermediate, polytechnic diploma, CBSE, ICSE, etc. All the things have been written. We are following trigonometry. So T ratios of complementary angles problems we are going to discuss. Still those did not watch it, the 9th part, please watch. The link is given in the description. Okay, now let us go through the problems now. Now we are going to discuss 4 problems. Please listen carefully. So we have, so this is given sine 52 degrees by cos 38 degrees, that we had to evaluate. So nothing but here, first of all, sine and cos are, they are nothing but complementary angles, T ratios of complementary angles each other. So now sine 52 degrees can be written as with respect to 90. Since we are discussing about complementary angles, with respect to 90 degrees, 52 degrees can be written as 90 minus 38 degrees. 90 minus 38 gives you 50 degrees. Okay, by cos 38 degrees. Okay, so this is in the form of sine of 90 minus theta. So sine of 90 degrees minus alpha is nothing but cos alpha, that we know very well. Now it can be written as cos 38 degrees. The denominator also the same, cos 38 degrees. So since they are same, its value will be same. Cancelling, we are going to get 1. So ones. So therefore I can write now sine 52 degrees by cos 38 degrees is nothing but 1. So in this way, just here remember the formula and converting with respect to 90 degrees. Next, in the same way remaining we are going to do now. Please listen carefully. So I can write here cot. So there are 2 terms here, first and second terms. So cot theta and tan theta are nothing but the complementary angles, T ratios with respect to each other. Okay, T ratios, and they are complement to each other. So now write 56 with respect to 90 degrees. Okay, so I can convert 56 in such a way that 90 degrees minus 34 degrees gives you 56. Okay, so minus tan 34 degrees. So cot of 90 minus theta is tan theta. So tan theta is nothing but our 34 degrees minus tan 34 degrees. So tan 34 minus tan 34, x minus x is nothing but 0. So finally here it is 0. So here the reason where cot of 90 degrees minus beta is tan beta. So that we have been taken here. Okay, so just we'll analyze the problem now. Please listen here. What we have done, just we changed this part, okay, and applied this part. So with respect to tan, with respect to 90 degrees, we have to consider sine and cos are complement to each other. They are the T ratios. Now here in the same way, just we replaced 56 degrees here 2 terms. So we got 0. Here the answer is 1 and here the answer is 0. Okay, so I am writing the conclusion. Therefore, cot 56 degrees minus tan 34 degrees nothing but equal to 0. Now, the rest of the problems, 2 problems, I am going to explain in the easiest way. Nothing but technique I am applying. Please listen here. So cosec 25 degrees by sec 65 degrees. So before that they are nothing but by fast track method in generally. Actually these are also just like fast track method, but these are according to regular board syllabus. So these are also regular board syllabus, but I am explaining in a good way, in a different way, easiest way. So fast track method. So please listen here. As you know that first point, as we know that cosec and sec are nothing but T ratios with respect to the complementary angles. Complementary angles of T ratios here they are. So that first point. Next, second point is nothing but consider 25 and 65. Add it if you are going to get 90. Okay, then the answer is 1. Numerator and denominator you cancel, like this you are going to get. So direct steps I am writing. Since cosec and sec are nothing but they are T ratios with respect to the complementary angles, first thing. Second thing is nothing but addition of 25 and 65 gives you 90. Then directly we can do. So nothing but I can write here sec 65 degrees by sec 65 degrees gives you 1. Completed. Next, tan 81 degrees minus cot 9 degrees. So change this or this. First point again tan and cot are T ratios with respect to complementary angles. At the same time 81 and 9 degrees are nothing but addition gives you 90. So directly we can change. So I can write here cot 9 degrees minus cot 9 degrees gives you 0. Okay. So like this, these are the fast track method 2 problems. These are for the general regular boards. Okay. So now, and this is the formula we applied here. Note it, here we applied this formula here. Once you have the total look, all the 4 problems. So in this way we can overcome the basic level problems. This you can read it as the level 1 problems, first level. That's why basic level problems. So now the different simple problem, second problem. Previously we gone through 4 different problems. Now here, if A and B are acute angles such that sec A is called cosec B, then prove that A plus B is 90 degrees. Nothing but A and B are complementary each other, we have to prove. So proof now here. So consider sec A is equal to cosec B. So change this or this sec or cosec. As we know that sec theta and cosec theta are nothing but they are the T ratios with respect to the complementary angles. So now I can write it as here sec A can be written as sec of here sec theta. Sec theta is nothing but cosec of 90 degrees minus theta. This we know very well. So I can replace sec A with cosec of 90 minus A. So nothing but cosec of 90 degrees minus A. So this implies I can write cosec of 90 degrees minus A. So sec theta is obtained by cosec of 90 minus theta. So replace this by this here. So this is in the form of this one I have been written. So is equal to cosec B. So this is a one major important step that sits. Okay. So now here since given that A and B are acute angles, okay, so then we can follow the next step according to our basic knowledge. So since A is acute, 90 minus A also will be acute in nature. So 90 minus A is equal to here I can write B. So this implies I can write 90 degrees is equal to transposing here B plus A. So finally A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. Okay. So this is a proof for A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. Okay. It's very easy, very important also once you have the total look, and this is a formula for this. Just replacing our LHS or RHS. Okay. Next, After second problem, this one very important, express cosec 48 degrees plus tan 88 degrees in terms of T ratios of angles between 0 degrees and 45 degrees. It's very easy, okay, just 2 steps. So now we have to express or represent this cosec 48 and tan 88 in between 0 and 45. So now solution follows. Okay. So now here 48 can be written as, okay, so cosec of 90 degrees minus 42. Just replace 48 here, next 88. So 90 minus 42 gives you 48 and 90 minus 2 gives you 88. So plus tan of 90 degrees minus 2 degrees. So cosec of 90 minus theta is sec theta. So I can write now here sec of 42 degrees plus tan of 90 minus theta is cot theta. Theta is 2 degrees. So I can write cot 2 degrees. Okay. So just apply the two basic formulas. If you observe very carefully, 42 degrees and 2 degrees lies between our range, this one. So hence, I can write the conclusion now. Hence, whatever the data given here, which one? Cosec 48 degrees plus tan 88 degrees. I have been expressed here sec 42 degrees plus cot 2 degrees. So this is our conclusion for this problem. Okay. So 2 and 42 lies between 0 and 45 degrees. So second and third problem. Okay. Once you have the look of these two problems. So these are the basic level problems, part 1, 10th part, level 1, trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. After watching, please share to your near and dear, like, you can comment also. Practice problems will be given in the next session separately, okay? Signing out.